Have you ever felt like prosperity is a locked door you just can't open? You're not alone. Many grapple with turning personal growth into success. But what if I told you that the key lies within your own journey of self improvement? Prosperity isn't just financial, it's a mindset, a transformation waiting to happen. It begins with learning, embracing knowledge as the foundation of your growth. Success, then, is not a peak to conquer, but a series of steps, each one a victory. Imagine transforming challenges into stepping stones, each hurdle a lesson learned. With each step, you'll find clarity, purpose, and the power to shape your destiny. Lewis's principles guide you, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth. Embrace the journey. Prosperity is not a destination, but a way of living. Your transformation is the key that unlocks doors to opportunities you've yet to imagine. With personal growth comes the courage to reach for what was once out of grasp. Today, you stand at the threshold. Will you step through into your new life of abundance? The path to prosperity is paved with the lessons of today, leading to the triumphs of tomorrow. Unlock your potential. The journey to prosperity begins with a single step forward.